Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best floor jack is probably one of the most essential tools for any hardwood flooring installation or repair project. This video is dedicated to helping you navigate the market and find the perfect floor jack to meet your specific needs. We'll explore the key features, benefits, and considerations to ensure you make an informed decision and achieve professional-looking results. Let's dive in and find the perfect floor jack for you. Number 5. Flooring Jack Tool, Professional Hardwood Flooring. Introducing the Flooring Jack Tool, designed to simplify hardwood and laminate flooring installation. It helps you easily position flooring strips, ensuring a tight and secure fit. This tool is perfect for both DIYers and professionals, making the process faster and more efficient. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this tool is built to last. Its non-slip plastic handles provide a comfortable grip, while the sturdy construction ensures it can handle most flooring thicknesses without causing damage. It's ready for any wood or laminate flooring project. This ratchet floor jack is ideal for working in confined areas. Its compact design allows you to maneuver easily, ensuring every board is perfectly aligned and securely in place. You can say goodbye to struggling with traditional tools. The Flooring Jack tool features an easy-to-use ratchet mechanism. Simply position it, engage the ratchet, and pull or push the flooring strips into place. This innovative design saves time and effort, making installation smoother. This tool is perfect for straightening crooked or warped flooring strips. It holds them securely in place during installation, ensuring a flawless finish. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, it will help you achieve a professional quality floor with ease. What we like. This tool simplifies hardwood and laminate flooring installation. Its compact design is perfect for those tricky corners and closets. If you're working in a confined area and need a reliable solution, you should consider it. What people say. The jack worked perfectly for installing the hardwood flooring. The product is well designed and functions as expected. This tool made the job much easier. Number 4. Ysnow Flooring Jack, Laminate, Hardwood, Tile Installation Tool. Tired of struggling with flooring installation? This tool makes the process easier. It's designed to help you install laminate, hardwood, and tile flooring with precision. Get perfect alignment every time. The tool provides the control you need for straight and professional-looking results. It ensures your flooring fits seamlessly. Built to last, this tool is made with high-quality materials. The gold-plated and black plastic ball head adds to its durability. It's a reliable choice for any contractor or DIY enthusiast. Whether you're working on a small project or a large one, this tool is up to the task. It's suitable for various flooring types, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. This tool is a must-have for any flooring project. Achieve professional-grade results without the hassle. This tool simplifies the installation process, saving you time and effort. It helps you create a beautiful and long-lasting floor. What we like. This flooring jack is designed for easy installation. The gold-plated and black plastic ball head design makes it stand out. If you are looking for a tool that is easy to use and has a unique design, you should consider this one. What people say. The jack worked perfectly for installing the hardwood flooring. The jack made the job so much easier and faster. The jack is well built and sturdy. Number 3. A-KARCK Flooring Jack, Hand-Free Nailing for Hardwood. Tired of struggling with floorboards? This jack makes installing hardwood floors a breeze. It helps you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The ratcheting mechanism allows you to easily position and hold floor planks. It eliminates the need for pry bars or crowbars, making your work easier. Need to adjust? The quick release feature allows for fast pressure adjustments. Simply push the handle forward to release the pressure. This jack provides the necessary force in tight spaces, freeing up your hands for nailing. Once the ratchet is set, it holds your flooring securely. No matter the thickness of your flooring, this jack has you covered. It works with boards from 5/16 to 3/4 inch, making it versatile for any project. To prevent scratches, consider using tape on the surface. This will ensure that your flooring remains in perfect condition during installation. What we like. This jack features a quick release mechanism for efficient use. It allows for hands-free nailing, making your job easier. If you are looking for a tool that can handle any floor thickness and save you time, you should consider this one. What people say. Worked as described and easy to use. This was easy to use and was great to get tight to the other planks. This is a must-have for hardwood flooring job. Number 2. KELEN Flooring Jack, Hardwood Floor Installation Tool. Tired of struggling with hardwood floor installation? This tool makes the process easier and prevents floor damage. It works with any floor thickness, making your job much simpler. Made of high-quality steel, it's built to last. This jack is perfect for under-cabinet installations and other tight spots, providing the leverage you need. Forget pry bars and crowbars. This tool speeds up installation, saving you valuable time. The ergonomic handle with a non-slip grip ensures comfort during use. Whether you call it a flooring jack, hardwood flooring jack, or laminate floor jack, it's the perfect solution. This versatile tool is designed for various flooring types. You'll receive one high-quality flooring jack tool. We're so confident in it that we offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Return it for a full refund if you're not completely happy. This is the Flooring Jack 001. Get yours today and experience the difference in your flooring projects. It's the easy way to install your hardwood floor. What we like. This flooring jack is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during use. If you want a long-lasting and comfortable tool for any floor thickness, you should consider this one. What people say. The jack worked perfectly for installing the hardwood flooring. The jack made the job much easier and faster. The jack is well built and sturdy. Number 1. Powernail PowerJack 100 Hardwood Floor Tool. Tired of struggling with hardwood floor installation? This tool is designed to make the process easier. It helps you position the flooring strips perfectly. This tool pulls and pushes tongue and groove flooring strips into place. It holds them tightly, allowing for hands-free nailing. This ensures a professional finish. Forget about using pry bars or crowbars. This tool eliminates the need for those, saving you time and effort. It simplifies the entire installation process. Installation becomes faster and more efficient with this tool. It provides the leverage needed, especially in tight spots. You'll complete the job quicker. Need to install flooring under cabinets? This tool works great in those challenging areas. It helps you build a better floor, making the job significantly easier. What we like. This tool is designed to hold flooring strips tightly for hands-free nailing. It provides the leverage needed in tight spots. If you want to speed up your installation process and build a better floor, you should consider it. What people say. Good tool, easy to get tight wood. Sturdy and powerful. This tool is a must-have for any hardwood floor install. Makes hallways and last few boards near walls go in tight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.